Check out this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front bucket seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, trailer brake controller, integrated, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 4.8L variable valve timing flex fuel, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing. Flex fuel with active fuel management, skid plate package, convenience package, LT White Diamond Edition, All-Star Edition, wheels, 417 inches x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, 6-lug chrome-styled steel, wheels, 420 x 8.5, 50.8 centimeters x 21.6 centimeters, chrome-clad aluminum, LPO, all-weather floor mats, ebony deep-rid rubber, suspension package, high-performance, trailering package, heavy-duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.